run the plastic band. This door right here will give you the band. As you can see, everything inside is pretty cool. Now from the other side. So okay, now you have your band from over there. Now as you can see, you have this little ball right here and this one right here. So you have to grab your band. When you grab your band, you run it through the first ball and you bring it down, and that's the first part. As you can see, it goes from down here to over here out to the bar. Now you have to bring it out the door. Okay, now we'll go into here. Okay. Okay, you feed it up and you see it will go under and it will come out on top. So now, so you see it will sit like this. It's the right way. Okay, now it goes up and this will go to the door. Kickstand, you take the kickstand off and it'll shut down. And that is your beam. Now when you wrap it over, you'll stick it in, slide into here, and it will make. Now, just wanted to say a few things. Right here is your heat adjuster. This is where this heat ups and it will seal it. Basically, it will attach it together, glue it. As you can see, you have these two screws. This will adjust the size of band you're going to use, and you also have to adjust it here. And you can use pretty much whatever size can fit. And this is a little bigger one than the original. But that's it. Awesome machine. Has your band. Also, one more thing I wanted to point out. Make sure it's lined up with the breaker. This is your breaker. Make sure it's lined up. It has to be lined up good, because this is what's gonna stop it. And it's awesome. As you can see, your little compartment, and it's an awesome machine. You have your, also right here will adjust how tight you want it on the box. Awesome machine.